guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello. So today I wanted to do a little unboxing or unbagging and like some swatches and a little try on of some new blushes that I got. So I ordered these from Alamar Cosmetics. I did rip open the package already because I didn't want to have to do that right now on camera because it's very loud. But I didn't open anything that was inside. So I ordered these from Alamar. I saw them actually randomly on like Instagram. I saw these blush palettes and I was like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
They're so beautiful. They were like very summery, bright, like coralies and pinks and oranges, and I love those colors for summer. Actually, I love those colors all year round, but they looked so beautiful for summer. I had never heard of this brand, but I saw that they are cruelty-free, so that's cool. But yeah, they're created by a makeup artist named Gabby, and I thought that was really cool that, you know, a fellow makeup artist created a line of makeup. I saw these and I was like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
I need them. So I ordered them a few weeks ago. I had been wanting them for like, you know, about a month or so, and I saw that they were on sale, and then I was like, oh great. So as soon as I put them in the cart, the sale had actually ended, and so I was like, nah, maybe I'll just wait. You know, it was like 25% off or something, so I was like, maybe I'll just wait until they do another sale. And then a couple weeks later, I had come across them on Instagram posting that they were having another sale. It was like 15% off, but you know, any little bit helps. So I ordered them, and then I got like the shipping info like right away. Like a couple weeks later, I was noticing I still hadn't gotten it, but like it said that it was shipped. So I was like, oh, that's weird. So I reached out to them, and they ended up sending me a new package, which is this one, because I guess the other one got lost, or I don't know, something happened to it. Super excited to open these up and finally see them in person, because I have been seeing them like all over Instagram, and I'm like, I want them. Okay, so here we go. So inside the package comes with all of this. Look at how cute and fun and bright these little packages are. So for the first thing, it says Alamar Cosmetics, and then it says, Hola. Thank you for your order. Your support means the world to our growing team. I hope that you love my products as much as I enjoyed making them for you. I don't want to miss a single one of your looks. Make sure you tag at Alamar Cosmetics and use the hashtag Alamar Cosmetics for a chance to be featured on our feed. And then it just has like all of their social media stuff on there. So that's cool. Next are the two blush palettes that I got. Let's open the green one first. I love that they came in such bright poppy color packaging. It's nice that it came all bubble wrapped like this too. That keeps it, you know, safer during shipping. Alright, and here is the first little box. It is the Colorete Blush Trio, and this one is, oh, it doesn't say on the outside. The outside of the package, it says a curated collection of 3 blushes designed to complement your skin tone, sun-kissed, radiant, and flush with none of the damage to your skin. Our Colorete Blush Trios are formulated to glide seamlessly over your cheeks while offering maximum pigmentation. Our buttery smooth formula is completely vegan, talc-free, and cruelty-free. So that is awesome. Here is the packaging. It looks really nice. I love these bright colors that are all over it. So let's see which one this one is. Because I ordered 2. I ordered the Fairlight and then the medium tan one. Ooh. Okay, so this is the medium tan one. It says so on the back here. I love this packaging. It's so cute. There's like a little label on here, so let me carefully peel it off. I don't want to like ruin it. All right, so let's open it together. Ooh, oh my god. They are just as beautiful in person. So that's nice. It comes with this little like protective sleeve, so if anything were to happen, it wouldn't get messy. And it comes with the mirror on there, which is cool. But oh my god, look at those colors, you guys. So this one is called Toasted. It looks like a medium to deep rosy tone. And then this one is so beautiful. It's called Isla. Oh my gosh, it's like a corally color. So pretty. And then this one over on the side is called Seclusion. And it's like a nice peachy color. Wow, those are so pretty. Let's do a swatch. So here we go. Ooh, they are really soft. That one is Seclusion. It's really pretty. And then next we'll do Isla. And then I'll put it right here. Ooh, that color is so pretty. And then next we'll do Toasted. And then we'll put it right here. Wow, all three of those are so beautiful. I'm not sure which one I like most, but there's the three right there. They're so pretty. Wow. I really love these colors. These are like exactly perfect for summer. All right, so that was the medium tan palette. Now let's open up the Fairlight palette. Let's do a little page. All right, so same packaging, same verbiage on the back. Let's open this bad boy up. Or bad girl, I should say. All right, so this is the Fairlight palette, and you see it on the back there. Same packaging as the other one. It's really cute. I actually love it. It looks like the ocean, and it's so pretty. And that's actually the reason why I wanted these palettes, is because it was like the photos for like their campaign for these blush trios, which they also have a deep dark one, which is really beautiful too. And I was thinking about getting it probably for my kit, but I wanted to test these ones out on myself first. But the reason I wanted these was their campaign photos were so beautiful. Like the models just looked like so like sun-kissed, and it was just, I was like, that's what I want to look like. I want to be sun-kissed. Okay, so here, let's do Fairlight. Also comes with the mirror and the little protective clear little label thingy. And then these are the Fairlight shades. So similar in tones to the medium tan one, just more suitable for like fairer skin tones. So this first one we have Castaway, which is like a peachy gold color. And then we have Paraiso, which is more of like a peachy pink, maybe a little bit more rosy pink. And then this last one is called Scorcher, which is more like a shimmery tangerine kind of color. These look really beautiful too. So let's go ahead and swatch these. I'll put them right nearby where the medium tan palette was. So the first one is Castaway. Like I said, these are very soft and smooth, and I'll put him we'll put him right here. Ooh, that's pretty. And then next we have Paraiso. Ooh, this is like a really nice, like neutral color. That's pretty. And then the last one is called Scorcher, which this one looks the most shimmery of all three of these in this palette. And we'll put this guy right here. Oh yes, I like that one too. So here is the top row is the medium tan palette, and then the bottom row is the Fairlight palette. And all of them are really beautiful. Here they are on my fingers again. They do have a slight sheen to them, but they're not like glittery at all. They're just very, very like buttery and soft. I'm excited to try one of these out on my cheeks. I don't know which color to do though. They're like all so pretty. I think I'm gonna do Isla, because that one is like, I don't know, this color in the medium tan is just like so pretty. So I think I'm gonna do that one and put my blush on, because I didn't put any blush on today, specifically so that I could do this. So I'm just using a big fluffy brush. This is the Refer P08 prototype. And I'm just going to very, very gently dip into this, because I have a feeling it's going to be quite pigmented on the cheeks. So I took a little bit on my brush, and let's go. Yes, mama. Okay, this is super pretty. And as you can see, I'm just sort of applying it like where the sun would hit, because the point of this blush is to sort of be like very sun-kissed. So I might put a little bit on my forehead. It kind of gives you like that like sunburnt effect without being outside in the sun. I really like this. I might add another one on top. You know, this would be perfect too for like days like today, for instance. It's like all cloudy and gloomy outside. I was assuming it was gonna be sunny, but apparently that's not happening today. And so this is like, you know, if I went to go sit outside and got myself a little sun-kissness. And oh my gosh, I really, really like it. It's so cute. I'm actually gonna do another one on top because why not? Let's use this shade Scorcher right here. I think it's really pretty too. Take some on the brush. All right. Ooh, yes, I really like these. Those are super pretty. All right, so that is that. So this right here is using the shades Isla and Scorcher, one out of each of the palettes here. I really like them. Let me show you the swatches again. They are so beautiful. So on the top here, we have Castaway, which is right here. And then we have Paraíso, which is the middle shade. And then this bottom one is Scorcher, which is on the far side right here. And that is super beautiful. I really love those shades. Medium tan palette is the top row. So we have Seclusion on top here. And then the middle is Isla right here. And then this bottom one is Toasted, which I am really excited to use, and that one's Toasted right there. These are super beautiful, like I said, very buttery. The only thing I noticed when I was like messing around and like rubbing in the Fairlight Palette is it is a little bit dusty. So definitely you'll want to like tap off your brush, or you know, make sure that you don't press into it too roughly because you will kick up a little bit of product. I really, really like this. I'm so happy that I got them. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I need those. That's my kind of blush. I'm all about like that really sun-kissed look, and I really love the packaging. It's cool too because they're like, they seem really travel friendly. You get 3 colors, you get a little mirror. So, you know, you have 3 blushes that you can take with you and use interchangeably. You can mix them, you know, do all that kind of good stuff. And if you want, you could definitely use these as eyeshadows. And I saw on their Instagram that they like pressed it in as a lip color, and I thought that was really cool. So it seems like a multi-use product, which is really nice to have. And it's cool to support, you know, other makeup artists because it is hard out there, you know, being a makeup artist. I know it's not like the most difficult job, but like it is a difficult job in the sense of like as a freelancer, you're not always sure what's going to happen next. So it's cool that Gabby created these, you know, products, and she has like eyeshadows and stuff too, which look really nice. And it's cool that she created that and like started up her own company with makeup. So yeah, I just wanted to show that to you guys. I know that these aren't like, you know, 100% natural, but they are a cruelty-free option. That's, you know, one of my main things is it has to be cruelty-free. So as soon as I saw these and saw that they were cruelty-free, I was like, I need it. So if you guys are interested in like a cool blush or like their eyeshadows, definitely go check them out. I'm excited to use these all summer and winter and spring and all that good stuff. So definitely check these out, and I'm super excited to use these. Have you guys tried Alamar? I think I saw on their Instagram that they are, or that they were in like a BoxyCharm. I don't know. I don't subscribe to any of those like makeup services, but I did see that they were like in a BoxyCharm box. So if you've tried Alamar, let me know in the comments down below and what your thoughts are on them, because so far I am impressed. All right guys, so that is it. I just wanted to do a little unboxing because I was so excited to open it and use them and be sun-kissed and glowy and all that good stuff. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I think that's it now. So I hope that you guys have a really great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!